Alright, so for making a nice project, we did the game Guess Who. And Guess Who is like a board game where you're given like two cards, each player is given two cards, and you basically are using yes or no questions to guess the other person's card, what the person's card is. And so the goal of the game is to guess the other person's card first. And in this game, in this Guess Who game, it's Mario themed, so all the characters are Mario characters, and you are actually not playing against another person, you'll be playing against the computer. And so yeah, I'll explain more as I go along here, but we'll start off with click and play. So here's more basic instructions. So you have 16 face cards and one mystery card. You're trying to guess your opponent's mystery card. Use each turn to ask a yes or no question about the mystery person using the drop down of questions on the far right. Eliminate cards that do not match the description by crossing them out by clicking the check boxes on each character. After your turn, select End Turn on the far right. Answer the computer questions honestly with yes or no on the far right. The first one to guess the other's card wins. Alright, so let's get started now. So to start off, it just asks you to put a random number in from 1 to 16, and this just gives you the your card that the computer will be guessing for. Alright, so we have Donkey Kong, and this is what the computer will be guessing for, and we're trying to guess for whatever's behind this mystery card. And this is the computer's board where the computer will be crossing things off, and this is our board where we'll be crossing characters off as we eliminate people to figure out who this mystery box is. So we'll start off by using this drop down on the far right to ask questions, yes or no questions, and it will start off asking if a person's a guy. And no, they're not, so it'll be a girl. So we'll cross off all the guys. Yeah, so you cross them off using these little check boxes right here. And that's all we can do on our turn. So you only can ask one question per turn, so we say end turn. And then the computer asks, does your character have red? And Donkey Kong has a red tie, so we say yes. And so that the computer eliminates all those who do not have red on them. And then now it's our turn again. So as your person, let's see, we'll say if we have pink or not. Does your character have pink? Yes, okay. Alright, that's all we can do on our turn, so we end turn. Computer asks, is your character a human? No. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, we have like no humans already. Okay. Let's see what we can ask. We'll ask if our character is human. That seems like a good question for us. Let's see, where did I pass this? Oh yeah, it's on the top. Okay, here we go. Is your character a human? No, they're not human. So it's either Toad or Peach. Or not Peach, Birdo. Alright. Does he or she have hair? Yes, Donkey Kong definitely has hair. Oh dang, we got a close game here. I really gotta figure this out. Alright, headgear, they both have hats. Is your character a good guy? Is your character pink? Is your character human? Girl? Blue, red, tail, green, headgear. Mustache, gloves, wand. Oh, our person has a tail. Birdo has a tail. That's how we can figure this out. Okay. So ask this. No, our character does not have a tail, so it can't be Birdo, so it has to be Toadette. So now we're going to guess Toadette here. And it is Toadette. Now, if I got that wrong, the computer would have made a guess. And the computer only guesses when you make a guess, because that's the only way we could figure it out. So I'll actually just display that really quick. So let's just say, let's program a number in there. Yeah, we got Toadette here, and so let's just say I randomly guess Toad, and I guessed wrong. Now the computer's gonna make a guess, and then you guess Mario, which is also wrong. And if we're both wrong, we just keep on playing. But if the computer's right, you lose, and you have to restart. So yeah, that's basically our project. Thank you for watching.